Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to share 2 extra tips with you. The first one will help you when making grain spawn, while the second tip can be useful when making liquid culture and grain spawn jars. Let's get started. Some exotic mushrooms have thinner than average mycelium, so they can be more sensitive to physical impacts, such as breaking the grain spawn before mixing. In these cases, the following technique can help. I have already made a video on cooking and sterilizing grain spawn, specifically brown rice spawn. You can find it above right. Follow the instructions in it. However, in this case, before sterilizing, if the outside of the rice grains have dried out after cooking, add the following step. To prevent the grains from sticking together later, we will use agricultural gypsum. When the grains feel almost dry to the touch, you can add the secret ingredient, gypsum. Add a level tablespoon of gypsum to a jar of brown rice and spread it evenly over the surface. Gypsum not only provides the fungi with calcium and sulfur, but it also helps mechanically. It coats the grains so they don't stick together. Watch as the stuck rice grains immediately separate under the influence of the gypsum. This snare-like structure will ensure perfect gas exchange inside the jar. You can also successfully use this solution with less sensitive species. The mycelium will love it and will weave the rice grains into it at a faster pace and with a more even distribution. In the picture, you can see a mason jar that I inoculated with the aforementioned method 2 weeks before the shooting. You can see that the mycelium has appeared everywhere and has grown at a steady rate. It is important that after you have sterilized and cooled the jars, shake them before inoculating them so that any grains that have stuck together due to the heat are separated. After that, you can inoculate them, after which it is important to shake again to evenly distribute the culture over the rice grains. If you haven't already, please support my work with a like and a subscription. You may have encountered a situation where your liquid culture or spawn jar has become infected despite your best efforts due to a poorly sealed jar. This creates a bridge between the inside of the container and the outside air, allowing mold spores and bacteria to enter. In this case, the following little trick comes in handy, which you can use with spawn jars and liquid cultures as well. All you need is some Teflon tape. After filling the jars, wrap 4 or 5 layers of tape clockwise around the thread and simply screw the lid on. The Teflon tape is heat resistant up to 300 Celsius, so it will withstand sterilization and will definitely block the way for intruders. I hope you found what I said useful, and I wish you happy growing.